A man stands beside his broken car on a quiet road at dusk. He lifts the hood slowly and studies the silent engine with focused eyes. Instead of calling help, he breathes deeply and listens carefully to every sound. Heat surrounds him, yet his expression remains unusually calm and quietly determined today. This moment reveals more about him than the vehicle ever could possibly do. Years of patience shaped his approach to mechanical problems and difficult challenges ahead. He learned that systems respond only to steady attention and consistent effort daily. Friends once watched him fix engines with quiet focus during long weekends together. Mistakes became lessons rather than reasons to surrender completely or feel defeated again. Each repaired part strengthened his confidence in understanding reality through direct experience alone. The garage became a classroom without walls, or lectures, or formal exams present. Under the car, he discovered patience hidden within himself over many seasons there. Problems stopped feeling threatening and started appearing solvable with enough time and attention. He trusted evidence from his hands more than opinions spoken by others outside. Standing there, he felt capable, grounded, and quietly certain about solving problems today. The engine became his teacher, revealing truth through silence and mechanical resistance. He learned that rushing repairs only created deeper problems later unexpectedly. Careful observation replaced frustration whenever bolts refused to loosen properly again. Every successful fix reinforced belief in effort, patience, and direct engagement. Experience shaped his thinking more powerfully than any textbook explanation could. He noticed patterns in sounds, vibrations, and subtle changes beneath metal surfaces. These details formed an internal map guiding decisions during complex diagnostics. Over time, confidence grew quietly through repetition and hands-on practice. Others saw independence, but he experienced responsibility toward understanding reality directly. The garage offered clarity when life outside felt uncertain and unpredictable. Within that space, problems had boundaries and measurable solutions available. Success there felt absolute, unlike ambiguous achievements elsewhere in daily routines. Completing repairs restored balance during stressful periods filled with doubt. He valued tangible results because they confirmed effort produced meaningful outcomes. Each turning wrench symbolized control, discipline, and focused attention applied consistently. The roadside breakdown tested his patience but strengthened determination within him. He viewed obstacles as puzzles demanding observation rather than emotional reaction. Silence under the hood felt more honest than opinions from distant strangers. Mechanical systems rewarded persistence instead of speed or impulsive decision-making. Learning through touch created understanding no lecture could fully replace. Grease stained his hands, yet clarity formed inside his thoughts steadily. Friends sometimes relied on him because he trusted careful diagnosis processes. He believed solutions existed if approached with methodical effort consistently applied. The rhythm of repair work shaped his mindset across years gradually. Repeated practice transformed uncertainty into familiarity with complex automotive mechanisms. Confidence emerged from successfully resolving issues others considered overwhelming or impossible. He respected machines because they responded predictably to correct procedures followed. Each tightened bolt represented commitment to doing tasks thoroughly and correctly. When engines started again, satisfaction confirmed his disciplined approach worked reliably. That audible ignition sound felt like proof of competence earned honestly. The quiet garage became a sanctuary where focus replaced outside distractions completely. Inside that space, time moved differently and demanded respectful attention always. He approached every repair with curiosity rather than fear of failure. Challenges transformed into opportunities for learning through deliberate experimentation and observation. Manuals provided guidance, yet real understanding came from hands-on adjustments. Mistakes were recorded mentally as reminders for future careful improvements ahead. He recognized that patience often determined whether repairs succeeded or failed. Complex systems required structured thinking combined with practical experience together. When problems resisted solutions, he remained calm and evaluated alternative possibilities. Persistence replaced frustration as his primary response to mechanical setbacks encountered. Through repetition, intuition developed quietly beneath conscious awareness and reasoning. The connection between effort and outcome became unmistakable after many repairs. Each completed project strengthened trust in his abilities and judgment overall. He understood that mastery required dedication rather than talent alone initially. Experience taught him that consistent action gradually produces dependable results eventually. Standing beside the vehicle, he felt grounded in practical reality again. The broken engine represented a challenge waiting patiently for resolution. Instead of frustration, curiosity guided his hands beneath the lifted hood. He evaluated symptoms carefully, connecting sounds with possible internal causes. Experience whispered insights that diagnostic machines sometimes failed to detect accurately. Over years, observation sharpened his instincts about mechanical irregularities quickly. Friends admired his steady temperament during stressful repair situations outdoors. He believed knowledge grew stronger when tested through real application consistently. Every problem solved reinforced confidence built from previous successful interventions. Mechanical tasks required discipline, organization, and deliberate step-by-step execution. Rushing through procedures often created complications requiring additional time later. He valued structure because engines demanded precise alignment and measurement standards. The satisfaction of restoration outweighed temporary discomfort from physical labor. Each completed repair strengthened resilience and practical intelligence simultaneously. His mindset reflected lessons learned through countless hours of focused effort. The roadside silence became an invitation to practice disciplined thinking calmly. He approached uncertainty with structured reasoning rather than emotional reaction. Mechanical challenges trained his patience through repeated cycles of trial. Understanding developed gradually as patterns revealed themselves through observation. Hands working beneath metal transformed abstract knowledge into lived experience. Confidence expanded each time a stubborn component finally responded correctly. He learned reliability through consistent effort applied to tangible systems. Problems once intimidating became manageable through methodical attention over time. The engine's complexity no longer felt mysterious or overwhelming anymore. Instead, it represented an organized structure awaiting careful investigation patiently. Success depended on listening closely to subtle mechanical feedback signals. He respected processes because skipping steps produced predictable negative consequences. Patience became his greatest tool during challenging diagnostic situations encountered. The garage environment cultivated independence, resilience, and analytical clarity. Through repetition, skill evolved into instinct guiding decisions effortlessly. The repaired engine symbolized perseverance, transforming confusion into measurable functional clarity. He recognized that effort consistently applied eventually reshapes even stubborn systems. Mechanical work reinforced belief that reality responds to sustained attention. Every successful restart validated patience, discipline, and structured problem solving. Experience in the garage influenced how he approached challenges elsewhere. He carried mechanical confidence into work, relationships, and personal decisions. Setbacks no longer discouraged him because solutions required deliberate engagement. Understanding deepened through direct interaction rather than distant theoretical speculation. The sound of ignition confirmed competence earned through persistent effort. He valued independence not for pride, but for proven capability. Problems yielded gradually when approached with calm focus and determination. Skills developed under vehicles translated into resilience across daily life. The garage taught lessons about responsibility, patience, and internal strength. What appeared as simple repair work became psychological transformation over years. In quiet moments, he knew mastery was built through hands and perseverance.